So what exactly is the goal of Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a tool, it's a methodology for reduction of variation. So in a step-by-step manner, in all the processes, we go on identifying the project and we try to reduce the variation. This also helps in reduction of defects. Primarily, Six Sigma are used for quality domain, quality area for defect reduction, but this can be also applied. In fact, this is being applied in other areas, for example, improvement in productivity, reduction in various kinds of cost like power cost, fuel cost, consumable cost. You may use along with Six Sigma, you may use some lean tools for other kind of optimization projects. And this will be also helpful for improvement in yield, enhancing customer satisfaction, and ultimately impacting the bottom line. So there are lots of goals which the companies try to achieve through Six Sigma. In Six Sigma, we use this equation which is y is equal to function of x. So y here is called dependent variable, which means y is dependent on x. And what exactly is x? X is called independent variable. So many independent variables, if controlled properly, that will be impacting y. For example, my y is productivity improvement, okay, or productivity or quality. Now, how can I improve quality? How can I improve my productivity? I need to identify the input variables or independent variables which are impacting the y. Once I identify all these input variables or independent variables and I try to control them and improve them and optimize them, I would be getting positive impact in my y. That's why this equation, that is y is equal to function of x, is very prominently used in Six Sigma world. So y, this is called dependent variable because it depends on x. This is also called output of the process. This is also called effect because x's are impacting y. This is also called symptoms. This is also called area of monitoring. Whereas axis, there can be multiple axes, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there can be 10 number of axes also. Sometimes this is also called causes or root causes, of course, because we will be identifying root causes in the process of problem solving and in DMAC also in quality improvement projects and trying to control them, and that will be impacting positively to y, and y will be improving. So axes are called independent variable. These are also called input to the process. These are also called causes, problems, and these are also called controllable factors. So now the question is, to get results, should we focus on y or x? Of course, we need to identify the y first and we need to monitor, but we need to control the axis. We need to optimize the axis so that I would be getting positive impact on my y.